Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again. So after first evening, now the target on board is 193 runs for Rawalpura. Mirpura 11 won the toss and they opted to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 193 runs. Will they complete this target? It will be seen in next. Farooq Ahmed plays very good knock of 22 runs. Irfan, he also plays very good knock. He plays 38 runs knock. Only faced 20 deliveries with the help of 3 huge sixes and 3 fours. Now the target for Rawalpura is 193 run in 18 hours. This is the T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukartulba ground. Today's teams are Mir 11 versus Rawalpura. After first evening, the score on board is 192 run. The target for Rawalpura is 193 run. आप सबका फिर से स्वागत। अब MS सपोर्ट्स क्रिकेट क्लब टारगेट जो है वो 193 रन का हज़फ दिया है मीर 11। मीर 11 शानपुरा वर्सेस MS सपोर्ट्स क्रिकेट क्लब। Another good delivery by this is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. This is the first over and very good bowling by Dar Ishfaq. Another good delivery by Dar Ishfaq. This is dot delivery. MS Supports Cricket Club, they required 193 run in just 105 deliveries. Dar Ishfaq, he is on strike, and this is good shot played by Dar Ishfaq. This is first 4 for Dar Ishfaq and this is first 4 for MS Supports Cricket. With this 4, the score is 4 run without any wicket. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 189 run. Sam Muzammil, Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Sam Muzammil Saab for watching this live stream. एंड अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन अपने पॉजिटिव कमेंट डालिए और आपको आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है, आपको क्वालिटी वीडियो की कैसी आ रही है, प्लीज़ पुट योर कमेंट्स इन कमेंट सेक्शन एंड यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑन माय चैनल यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. The target for MS Supports Cricket Club is 193 run. After 4 deliveries, the score is 4 run. Dar Ishfaq, he's on strike. Saqib Rashid to Dar Ishfaq. This is another good delivery by Saqib Rashid, and this is dot delivery, no run. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Saqib Rashid to Dar Ishfaq. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. This is the second evening of this match. The score is 193. Very good shot play. This is the second 4 for Dar Ishfaq. With this 4, the score goes on 8 runs. Voice is nice. Thank you Sam Muzammil Saab for watching this and you always support. Thank you Sam Muzammil Saab for your positive comment, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. The total is target is 193 run for MS Supporters Cricket Club. Now Saqib Rashid to Dar Ishfaq. This is T20 Super Cup. This is the third edition. This match is between MH Supports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chandpura. Mir 11 Chandpura win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 193 run. And this is another good shot played by the batsman for another 4. Dar Khalid plays very good shot. Impressive. This is good cricket played the two batsmen. With this 4, the score goes on 12 runs and they lost no wicket. Javed to Dar Khalid. And this is a dot delivery. No run. With this, the score is 12 and without any loss after 1.2 hours. Saim Muzammil, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is Javed to Dar Khalid. And another good shot played by Dar Khalid but at the end missed by the player, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 13 on board. MS Supports Cricket Club required 180 runs in 99 deliveries. Javed to Dar Ishfaq. This is a wide delivery. With this wide, the score is 14 run without any loss. Today, Mir 11 played very good cricket. And another good shot played by the player and it is missed by the player. And another 4 for Dar Ishfaq, another 4 for MS Supports Cricket Club. With this 4, the score is 22 run. 18 run after 1.4 hours. This partnership is on 18 run and they only face 10 deliveries. Javed to Dar Ishfaq and another good shot, but very good fielding by the player. Dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 18 runs after 1.5 hour. This is the last delivery of his first over, Dar Ishfaq, and the last delivery of the second over of this inning. And another good shot played by Dar Ishfaq for another 4. Very good cricket play today by Dar Ishfaq. He is on 16 and the score with this 4 goes on 22 without any loss. Now they required only 171 run in 96 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukartul Park ground. The organization body of the tournament is Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani Lala and Tawfiq Noor and Shahnawaz. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need now 171 run in 96 deliveries. Dar Ishfaq, he is on strike, he is on 16 run. He faces just 9 deliveries. The new bowler is Javed. Javed on his bowling mark. Javed to Dar Ishfaq. And this is a dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 22 without any loss. This is T20 Super Cup third edition and played at Chukartul Park ground. This is Saqib to Dar Khalid and another good shot played by Dar Khalid for another 4. This is the good cricket. This is good by Dar Khalid, and with this 4 the score goes on 26 runs and the score goes faster on board. 26 on board without any loss in just 2.2 hours. Dar Khalid, he's on strike, he's on 9 runs. And this is another delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 26 runs. Now MS Supporters Cricket Club, they need only 167 runs in 93 deliveries. Saqib to Dar Khalid. The partnership is on 26 runs in just 15 deliveries. Saqib to Dar Khalid. This is a bounce delivery, dot delivery, good delivery, no run. The score remaining on 26 without any loss. Look at run rate for MS Supports Cricket Club. They need 11 runs per over, and the current run rate is 10. Dar Khalid, he's on 9, he's on strike. This is good shot played by Dar Khalid for another 4. With this 4, the individual score for Dar Khalid is 13 runs. With this 4, the score for MS Supports Cricket Club is 30 runs after 2.5 hours. This is expensive over by Saqib Rashid. The last delivery of the third hour of this evening. Dar Khalid, he's on strike, he's on 13 runs. Saqib to Dar Khalid, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire, shot lefty. Wide. With this wide, the score is on 31 runs after 2.5 hours without any loss. Keep share this live stream with your friends and also put your positive comments in comment section. Saqib to Dar Khalid, and this is a good bowling. This is dot delivery. No run. After 3 hours, the score is 31 without any loss. Dar Khalid, he is on 13 runs. He just faced 9 bowlers with the help of 3 fours. And Dar Ishfaq, he is on 16 with the help of 4 fours. The partnership is on 31. They just faced 18 deliveries. The target is for MS Supports Cricket Club is 193 runs. Now they need only 162 runs in 90 deliveries. With the required rate is 10.80 runs. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulbagh ground, and this is another good delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. Dar Ishfaq is on strike. Javed is the bowler. He also put his first over in which he gave 14 runs. Javed to Dar Ishfaq, and this is another good shot played by Dar Ishfaq. This is the good cricket played by Dar Ishfaq. And this is first 6 for this evening, and first 6 for Dar Ishfaq. He moves on 26. He just faced 11 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. The score is on 37 on board without any loss. Javed is very expensive. Javed to Dar Ishfaq. Javed to Dar Ishfaq, and this is good delivery, dot delivery by Javed. No run. The score remaining on 37. Wasil Mallah, thank you Wasil Mallah sir for watching this live stream. Assalamu alaikum salam. Thank you for watching this. This is Javed to Dar Ishfaq. Dar Ishfaq played another good shot for only, but here is misfielding for another 4. This is another 4 for Javed, Dar Ishfaq, and another 4 for MS Supports Cricket Club. With this 4, the score goes on 41 run. वासिल मल्ला ठीक हो, थैंक यू वासिल मल्ला साहब फॉर वाचिंग दिस. ये कहाँ मैच चल रहा है वासिल मल्ला साहब, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस मैच इज एट Chukartulbagh ground. At present this match is between MH Supports Cricket Club versus nice community. Thank you Latif Kashmiri sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is a very good cricket play today at Chukartulbagh ground at present. It is match between MH Cricket Club versus Mid 11 Chandpura. The score is 43 without any loss. This is another good shot played by the batsman Dar Khalid for another 4. Very good cricket played by Dr. Dar Khalid. He is on 17 runs. With this 4, the score goes on 47 after 4 hours. Now they required only 146 runs in 84 deliveries. Thank you Latif Kashmiri sir for watching this live stream. and also you can see this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And this is another good shot by the batsman Darish Fak for another single. With this single, the score goes on 48 after 4.1 hour. Please keep your positive comments in the comment section. After 4.1 hour, the score is 48 run for MS Supports Cricket Club. This is Saqib to Dar Khalid, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score is 49 without any loss. Mir 11, they won the toss and they opted to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 193 runs. And this is another good shot played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 50 after 4.9 hours. Mir Wasim Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Voice aapki nice, thank you Mir Wasim Saab for your support for watching this live stream. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. At present, the score for MS Supports Cricket Club is 50 without any loss. They need now 143 runs in 80 deliveries. Another good shot played by the batsman Dar Khalid for another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 54 without any loss. Saqib Rashid, he is on third hour. The partnership is on 54 runs and they just face only 29 deliveries. This match is at Chukar Tulba ground between MS Supports Cricket Club. Oh, another big shot, another good shot played by the batsman Dar Khalid for another 6. This is the first 6 for Dar Khalid, and with the 6, the score goes on 60 runs. This is good partnership, 60 partnership in just 30 deliveries. Very good cricket play today by around MS Supports Cricket Club. And after 5 hours, 60 runs on board, and they have lost no wicket. Mir Wasim, love you. Thank you, Mir Wasim Saab, for your support, for your love. And keep support this channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now it is between MS Supports Cricket Club between and after 18 hours, the target on board is 193. Now they need only 133 run in 978 deliveries. Dar Khalid, he's on strike, he's on 28 run. Mir Wasim 6. Thank you, Mir Wasim Saab. And Muhammad Asif, assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mir Muhammad Asif Saab, thank you for watching this. This is another good shot, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder. But this is totally no run. The score remaining on 60. Arif is the new bowler. Arif to the batsman Mir Darish Fak. And this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Irshad lefty. Mir Wasim, love from Pewa. Thank you, Mir Wasim Saab, for watching this live stream. Thank you, Mir Wasim. Thank you for your love, for your support, and also keep watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad. And this is dot delivery, no run. Rugby matches between MS Supports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chanpura. The target for MS Supports Cricket Club is 193. Now they required only 132 in just 76 deliveries. This is another good shot. At the end it is misfield, and this is another 4 for Darish Fak and another 4 for MS Supports Cricket Club. Lazy cricket by Chanpura MH11, and this is good partnership. The partnership goes and 65 in just 33 deliveries. This is Arif to Darish Fak, and another good shot, but at the end very good fielding by the third man. No run, dot delivery. Thank you, Rafi Rabi Saab, for watching this live stream. Keep support, keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas. Arif to Darish Fak, and here is us, and a good shot, good catch taken by the fielder of Chanpura. This is the first wicket for MS Supports Cricket Club. They lost their first wicket in the shape of Dar Ishfaq. He plays very good. He plays good knock of 33 runs in just 20 deliveries with the help of 6 fours and 1 huge 6. The partnership goes and they make 65 in 34 deliveries. The target is 193 and 93, and they now require only 128 run in just 73 deliveries. They lost their first wicket in the shape of Arif, in the shape of Dar Ishfaq. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Cricket Tulbagh ground. This match is between MH Supports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chandpura. First, Mir 11 Chandpura win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 18 hours, they gave the target of 193 run to MH Supports Cricket Club. After 5.5 hours, MH Supports Cricket Club playing a very good partnership of 65 runs. And this is the end of partnership of 65. And first wicket for Chandpura. The next batsman is Dar Umar. Dar Umar is the new batsman. He's on a strike. Arif is the bowler. He takes his first wicket, and this is the last delivery of his first over and last ball of 6th over. The score remaining on 65 for the loss of 1. Now they need only 128 run in 73. Arif to Dar Umar, the new batsman. This is dot delivery, no run. After 6 hours, the score is 65 and they lost 1 wicket. Tausif, right arm, medium bowler. He is a new bowler on his bowling mark. Thank you for watching this live stream here. Wasim Saab, Rafi Rabi Saab, Muhammad Asif Saab, and you also supports me. Thank you for your support and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my channel, YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Tausif. Tausif is new bowler. He's on his bowling mark to Dar Khalid. Dar Khalid, he's on 28 run. And this is another good shot played by Dar Khalid for another 4. Good shot played by Dar Khalid. This is another 4 for Dar Khalid. This is 6th 4 of his inning. He made 32 run. With this 4, the score goes on 69 run, and they lost 1 wicket in 6.1 hours. MS Supports Cricket Club, they require now only 124 run in 71 deliveries. Dar Khalid is the batsman who is on 32 run. He just faced 15 deliveries with the help of 6 fours and 1 huge 6. Tausif is on his bowling mark to Dar Khalid. This match, Tausif to Dar Khalid. Dar Khalid plays another good shot for a single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score is 70 run and they lost 1 wicket. After 6.2 hours, Dar Umar, he is the new batsman on strike. He is a lefty. New batsman Dar Umar. Tausif is on his bowling mark to Tausif Dar Umar. Tausif to Dar Umar, the new batsman, and this is a dot delivery, good delivery by Tausif. No run. Score remains on 70 for the loss of 1 wicket after 6.3 hours. Dar Khalid, he's on strike on 33. Dar Umar, he's the new batsman, and this is missed by the keeper for a wise 4. Tausif to Dar Umar. This is the first run for Dar Umar. He opens his account with a single. With this single, the score goes on 71, and they lost 1 wicket after 6.4 hours. Tausif to the batsman Dar Khalid for another 4. Very good shot played by Dar Khalid. With this 4, the score is 78. After 7 hours, they lost 1 wicket. After 7 hours, the score is 79 run. Dar Khalid, he's on 33. The target is 193. Now, MS Sports Cricket Club, they need only 114 run in 66 deliveries. Much disturb with Gahan. Dalo much disturb. Uda. Thank you for watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now, this is Tausif to Dar Umar, the new batsman. He's a lefty, but he makes 4 runs in 5 deliveries with the help of 1-4. The score remaining on 79 after 7 hours, and they lost 1 wicket. Arif to Dar Khalid. This is good delivery, dot delivery, no run. Arif to Dar Khalid. Dar Umar. And this is another good delivery, dot delivery. Arif to Dar Umar. This is a single. And here is a misfield, but only a single. With this single, the score is 80 runs after 7.3 hours. आप लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, और आप हमारे चैनल यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप इसको देख सकते हो। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। आपका बहुत ही शुक्रिया, आप हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हो, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को शेयर करें, और अपने कमेंट, पॉजिटिव कमेंट सेक्शन में डालिए। This match is between MH Sports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chandpura. After won the toss, MH Mir 11 Chandpura, they decide to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 193. This is Arif to Dar Khalid, and here is yes no at the end. The player Dar Khalid is safe, and this is dot 3, no run. After 7.5 hours, the score is 80 run, and they lost only 1 wicket. Arif to Dar Khalid, and this is another good shot played by Dar Khalid, but only a single. With the single, the score is 81 for the loss of 1 wicket. Darumi, he is on strike. Arif is the bowler. He takes his first wicket. He gives 7 runs. Arif to Dar Umar. What a falling. With good cricket played by Arif. This is the second wicket for Arif, and this is clean bowled. And Arif to Dar Umar, out bowled by Arif. He goes on 4 runs. The score goes on 81 after 8 hours, and they lost their second wicket in the shape of Umar. Now they required 112 runs in 60 deliveries. For MH Supports Cricket Club, the only batsman Dar Khalid, he is on 34 runs. He faces 19 deliveries. Can he stay here? Can he make this match easy to MS Supports Cricket Club? This will be seen in next. Right now, the score for MS Supports Cricket Club is 81. After 8 hours, they lost their second wicket in the shape of Umar. Arif is the bowler. He completes his second over and he takes 2 wickets. 2 crucial wickets for Arif. Very good bowling, very impressive and decent bowling by Arif. Only gives 7 runs and take 2 crucial wickets. And score remaining on 81 for the loss of 2 after 8 hours. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they required 112 runs in 60 deliveries and they need 11.20 run rate required. They have only 10 runs per hour current run rate. Now the bowler is Tausif. Tausif is on bowling mark and this is a good delivery by Tausif and this is top delivery, no run. The score remaining on 81 for the loss of 2 wickets after 8.1 hour. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukaturba ground and this match is between MS Supports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chandpura. First Chandpura 11 win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 18 hours they gave the target of 193 runs to MS Supports Cricket Club. After 8.1 hours the score for MS Supports Cricket Club is 81 and they lost 2 wickets. Now they need only 112 runs in 59 deliveries. This is Tausif to Dar Khalid and this is another good delivery. Very good delivery by Dar Tausif and this is dot delivery. The score remaining on 81 and they lost 2 wickets. Now they need 11.59 runs in per hour. Tausif to Dar Khalid. He is on 34 and another good fielding at the end. The player cannot take single and this is no run. Score remaining on 81 for the loss of 2. Very good fielding by the fielder of Chandpura 11. This is Tausif to Dar Khalid. Oh, this is another good ball by Dar Tausif and another good catch taken by the player of Chandpura 11. This is third wicket for Chandpura and MS Supports Cricket Club, they lost their third wicket in the shape of Dar Khalid. Dar Khalid is the batsman, only batsman. He make 34 runs, just faced 22 deliveries and this is end of Dar Khalid. He caught out by Parvez Ahmed. Very good bowling by Tausif. He take his first wicket and their score is on 81 and they lost their third wicket in the shape of Dar Khalid. He made only 34 runs with the help of 6 fours and 1 2-6. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they need one partnership. They need to be stay here and they need 112 runs in 56 balls. Can they will do this? It will be seen in next. The target is 193 run for MS Supports Cricket Club. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need now 112 runs in 56 deliveries. The new batsman, he is on crease. Shabir is the new batsman, he is on non-strike. The two batsmen, they are new. Shabir Ahmed is the new batsman. Tausif to Shabir. Very good bowling, very good, impressive bowling by Tausif Ahmed. He just gave only 10 runs in 1.5 and take one crucial wicket of Dar Khalid. Score remaining on 180. Score remaining on 81. That is another good delivery by Tausif. After 9 hours, the score is 81 for the loss of 3. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 112 runs in 54 deliveries. Shabir Ahmed, he is a new batsman, he is on strike. Tausif completes his second over. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukaturba ground. This match is between MS Supports Cricket Club versus Chandpura 11. Chandpura 11 win the toss. They opted to bat first after 18 hours. They give the target of 193 runs. This is good bowling by the bowler, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score goes on 82, and they lost their third wicket after 9.1 hours. Shahid Shabir. Oh, this is another good delivery. This is clean bowled by the bowler. Very good bowling by Chandpura 11. And this is decent cricket. This is impressive cricket and lazy cricket played by MS Supports Cricket Club. And they lost their fourth wicket. And they have only 82 runs on board. Now they required 111 in 53 deliveries. And they need one partnership. They need one big partnership. They need 111 runs in only 52 deliveries. The target is 193 run, but MS Supporters Cricket Club, they lost their early wickets and they have only 82 runs on board. Very good bowling by Chandpura 11. And they have good cricket today, they have good batting and they have good bowling today. Very good, impressive cricket and disciplined cricket today played by Chandpura 11. And right now the score for MS Supports Cricket Club, they need one big partnership. They need 111 runs in 52 deliveries and need a big partnership, MS Supports Cricket Club. And they need 12.81 run. Only 8.79 is the current rate for MS Supports Cricket Club. They lost 4 wickets and they have only 82 on board. MSBT 247 is the new batsman for MS Supports Cricket Club. He is on a strike. And Arif is the bowler. He takes his third wicket. Very good bowling by Arif. Arif is the bowler. He gives only 8 runs and he takes his third wicket. Very good bowling by Arif. And this is decent bowling by Arif. And right now the score is 82 on board only, and they lost their early 4 wickets after 9.2 hours. MHBT 244 is on strike, and this is a good shot played by this player 247, and this is first 6 for MSBT 246-7, and this 6 for MS Supports Cricket Club. With this 6, the score goes on 88 for the loss of 4. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they required run 105 in 51 deliveries. They need one big partnership. They need this batsman who plays very aggressive cricket, because they have only 51 deliveries. This is another good shot played by this MSBT 247 for another body. This is the first 4 for MSBT 247, and he faces only 2 deliveries and make 10 runs with the help of 1 huge 6 and 1 4. With this 4, the score goes on 92, and they lost only 4 wickets. Now they required only 101 run in 50 deliveries. They need aggressive. They need this partnership. And this is a good delivery by Arif. This is dot delivery, no run. Now one delivery is left of this 10th over. MSBT 247, he is on strike. Arif to his batsman plays another good shot for another 4. Very good batting by MSBT 247. He moves on 27 to 14 runs. The partnership goes 14 runs in just 4 deliveries. With this 4, the score go reaches on 96, and they lost 4 wickets after 10 hours. The score on board is 96 runs for the loss of 4. Now Shabir Mir, he is on strike. MHBT 247, he made 14 runs in just 4 deliveries with the help of 2 4s and 1 huge 6. Arif completes his 3rd over. He gives 22 and he takes 3 wickets, 3 crucial wickets for Arif. And this is good volume, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 97 for the loss of 4. Tausif is the bowler. Tausif on his bowling mark. Tausif to MHBT 247, and this is good delivery. This is dot delivery, but at turn missed by wicket keeper. After 10.2 hours, the score is 101 for the last of 4. Tausif, he is on his bowling mark. Tausif to MHBT 247, he is on 14. And this is another good delivery by Tausif, but miss by the bowler, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 102 run after 10.3 hours, and they lost 4 wickets. Shabir Mir, he is on strike. Tausif to Shahid Mir, and this is lazy cricket by the bowler. Here the two fielders miss this ball. The two batsmen take extra run. With this single, the score goes on 103 after 10.4 hours. MHBT, he is on strike. Tausif to MHBT 247, he is on 14. This is another good shot played by MHBT for another 4. Very good batting by MHBT 247. He reaches on 19 runs, just faced 7 deliveries. With this score, the score goes on 107, and they lost 4 wickets. Now they need only 86 runs in 43 deliveries. They need this player. They need aggressive cricket here. Only they have 43 deliveries, and they need 86. MHBT, he is on strike, and this is missed by the keeper, wicket keeper, and no run. The score remaining on 107 after 10.5 hours, and they lost 4 wickets. This match is between MH Sports Cricket Club versus Mir 11 Chandpura. First, Mir 11 Chandpura win the toss, and they opted to bat first. After 18 hours, they give the target of 193 runs. After 11 hours, the score for MH Sports Cricket Club is 107, and they lost 4 wickets. MHBT 247, he is on 19 runs. He just hit 8 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 1 huge 6. Tausif completes his 3rd over. He takes 1 wicket, and he gives 17 runs with the economy of 5.67. Now MS Sports Cricket Club, they need only 86 runs in 42 deliveries. As per DLS, the score will be 113, but they have only 107 on board. Now MHBT, he is on non-strike. He is on 19. Shahid Mir is on strike, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. Wide delivery. With this run, the score is 108 for the loss of 4 wickets. Irshad is the new bowler. He is on his bowling mark to Shahid, and this is a good delivery, dot delivery. The score remaining on 108 runs after 11.1 hour. Irshad to Shahid. Here is a appeal, but there is no chance of loss of wicket. After 11.2 hours, the score remaining on 108, and they lost 4 wickets. Shahid Mir, he is on strike. MHBT 247, he is on non-strike on 19 runs. Irshad is the bowler. GoPro से क्वालिटी ज़्यादा है। कैसे
kita jadi mana nomor wise kamu coba aja dari tim link sana yang satu
Cuci lah apa lagi mau? Sikit banyak tempat itu.
atasnya iya banyak aja kan
YouTube Facebook agak supply हो.
comment text phone पे पे
आके पे का बता था ना?
और कौन पे
वाला अच्छा असल बैटरी
तो आप सेट ना बैटरी
और नहीं असल 2 giga तकरीबन अगर ज़रूरी नहीं कसम 2 गए और 2 गए 3 गए शक्ल से ताचा तो पाल में और फिर अभी मलकी मोहम्मद nice, thank you Malkin Mohd साहब, and dua to Rain. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and also you can watch on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Irshad to MHBT 24. He is on 19, and this is a good delivery. This is dot delivery, no run, and that's the score remaining on 109 for the loss of 4 wickets after 11.4 hours. MH Sports Cricket Club, they need 84 runs in just 37 deliveries. Can they win? Can they make this title for his name? And this is a wide delivery given by Delala. MHBT, he is on 19. With this run, the score is 110 for the loss of 4 after 11 point Irshad to MHBT 247. Oh, this is good delivery, dot delivery. And after 12 hours, the score is 110 on board, and they lost 4 wickets. अच्छा कैसा था ट्राई भाई चलो था Here is little bit rain, but as per DLS, the score should be 122 for MS Supports Cricket Club, but they have only 110 and they lost 4 wickets. अच्छा तो ये सांटी अलग स्ट्रोक आ रही है अच्छा तो ये मेरा ये रिजल्ट नहीं आ तो मुझे स्ट्रोक पास
बुझना थी उन्हें मैं रिजल्ट ग्रांड थी अगर आखिर थोड़ा कुछ चला लेता मैं थे
अच्छा
थी उन्हें पास स्कोर प्रूव किस पे
या कुछ में
कुछ बाहर
पास As per DLS, the score for MH Supports Cricket should be 122, but they have on board only 110 and they lost 4 wickets. This is the new bowler Javed to Shahid Mir, and this is a good shot at the end, a very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score is 111 after 12.1 hour. Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukatul Park ground. MUHA. This is Javed to MHBT 247. Oh, very good cricket played by MHBT 247. Good shot played. And this is another 4 for MHBT. Another 4 for MH Supports Cricket Club. MHBT 2. This is a wide delivery. With this wide, the score is 116 without and they lost 4 wickets after 12.2 overs. Now MH Supports Cricket Club, they need 77 in 34 delivery. Javed to MHBT 44. Wow, this is missed by the wicket keeper, and this is by 4. The score goes on 120 after 12.3. Now MH Supports Cricket Club, they need 73 runs in 33 deliveries. They need this batsman MHBT 247. He faces 13 and he made 23. Javed to MHBT, and this is another good shot played by this player. And there is yes no, but cannot take a single. This is no run. The score remaining on 120. As per DLS, the score will be for MH Supports Cricket 128, but they have only 120. MHBT plays on. And this is another good fielding by the fielder of Mir Alivan Chandpura, and here is no run. The score remaining on 120 for the loss of 4 wickets. Here is little bit rain. Malcolm Moore, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and we can also Javed to MHBT, and this is another good shot played by MHBT for another 4. This is his 5th 4. With this 4, the score goes on 124 for the loss of 4. The partnership is on 38 runs in just 21 deliveries. Target is 193. After 13 hours, they have 124 on board. As per DLS, the score for MH Supports Cricket Club, they need more aggressive batting. They need one big partnership. They need this batsman MHBT 247. He is on 27. He faces just 16 deliveries with the help of 5 4s and 1 huge 6. Now the required runs are 69 in just 30 deliveries. Shahid Mir, he is on strike, and Irshad, he is on his 2nd over. Irshad to Shahid. Shahid, he plays on 4, and this is the good delivery. This is dot delivery by Irshad. Partnership is 42. They face only 23 deliveries. Now they need 69 runs. Irshad to Shahid Mir. Very good bowling by Irshad. This is another dot delivery. No run. The score remaining on 124 for the loss of 4. Now MS Supports Cricket Club. They need aggressive cricket. They need aggressive player here, just like MSBT 247. He's on 27. Now they need 69 runs in just 28 deliveries. Irshad to Shahid Mir. Shahid Mir faces 9 deliveries. Only made 4. Irshad to Shahid Mir. And this is another good delivery. This is another dot delivery. This is not good cricket played by Shahid Mir. He faces 10 deliveries. He made only 4 runs. Now they need 69 runs. This is a good shot played by Shahid Mir for first 4 of Shahid Mir. With this 4, the score goes on 128 run after 13.4 hours. Now they need 61 run in 26 deliveries. As per DLS, the score will be 138 for MS Supports Cricket Club, but they have only 128 on board and they lost 4th wicket. Now Irshad is on his bowling mark to Shahid Mir. Shahid Mir, he faces 11 deliveries. He only made 8 runs. Irshad to Shahid Mir. And this is wide delivery. With this one, the score goes on 129 runs. Now they need only 64 runs. Can Shahid Mir give the strike to MSBT? He plays very well. He is on 27. Shahid Mir plays another shot for but only a single. With the single, MSBT 247, he is on strike now. Can this batsman match these 64 runs? Now they need 63 in 25 deliveries. They need this batsman because he is on 27. It's shot to MSBT, but this is good delivery. After the end of 14 hours, the score is remaining 130 for the loss of 4. Now 4 balls left and they need 63 runs. Shahid Mir, he is on strike now. Partnership is 48 in just 28 deliveries. The target for MS Supports Cricket Club is 193 runs. Now they need 63 runs in just 24 deliveries. Can Shahid Mir give strike to the batsman MSBT 247 because he is on fire? He plays very good knockout 227 runs in just 17 deliveries with the help of 5 fours and 1 2-6. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 63 runs. Tausif, he is on his bowling mark to Shahid Mir. Shahid Mir faces 12 deliveries and he made only 9 runs. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 63 runs in 24 deliveries. As per DLS, the score should be 142, but they have only 130. Tausif to Shahid Mir. And another good delivery. This is a dot delivery, no run. Shahid Mir should be given strike to MSBT 247 because they have only 23 deliveries. They need 63 runs. Tausif to Shahid Mir. This is a good shot played by Shahid Mir for 4. This is another 4 for Shahid Mir. Another 4 for MS Supports Cricket Club. Now they need only 59 runs in 22 deliveries. Here they need aggressive batting. They need the batsman just like MSBT 247 because he is on non-strike on 27. Tausif to Shahid Mir. This is good delivery. This is dot delivery. No run. The score remaining on 134 for the loss of 4 after 14.3 hours. Tausif to Shahid Mir. Very good shot played by Shahid Mir. And this is first 6 for Shahid Mir. And with this 6, the score goes on 140 after 14.4 hours. And they lost 4 wickets. Now they need 49 runs in 20 deliveries. 53 deliveries. Now they need only 53 in 20 deliveries. Shahid Mir. And this is a good delivery by Tausif. This is a dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 140 for the loss of 4. This is the last delivery of this over. Shahid Mir, he's on 19, he's on strike. And this is another dot delivery, no run. After 15 hours, the score is 140 for the loss of 4 wickets. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 53 runs in 18 ballers. Can this batsman MHBT 247 match this? It is not possible here because they need 53 runs in just 18 deliveries. Now they need aggressive cricket. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 53 runs. Irshad to MHBT. Oh, this is good shot played by MHBT for another 6. And this batsman needs MS Supports Cricket. If this batsman stay here, this is possible for MH Supports Cricket Club. They need this batsman, they need this partnership. Now they need 47 runs. Oh, this is another shot played, but at the end, 2 batsmen. Yes, no, but they complete this as the second runs. Very good running between the 2 batsmen, and they complete his second run. With this 2, the score goes on for 148. Now they need only 45 runs in 16 deliveries. They need this batsman, MHBT 247. This is the batsman. He only faces 19 deliveries and he made 35 with the help of 2 who is 6 and 5-4. Irshad to MHBT. Oh, this is message by the player. This is another 4. Not good fielding by the fielder of M11 Chandpura. Lazy fielding here. They need this wicket of MHBT. MH Supports Cricket Club. They need this batsman. He is on 39. Now they required only 41 runs in 15 deliveries. Here is the total drama. Can this batsman stay here? Can this MH Supports Cricket Club win this match? Can Mir 11 break this partnership? It will be seen in next. Partnership is on 70 and they face only 37 deliveries. Irshad to MHBT 4. Irshad and another good shot, but at the end very good catching by the fielder of Mir 11 Chandpura. Very good wicket. This is the big wicket for Mir 11 Chandpura in the shape of MHBT 247. He lost his wicket on 39. He plays good knock of 39 in just 20 deliveries with the help of 6 fours and 2 who 6. Now it is impossible for MH Supports Cricket Club because the batsman who is set on this pitch is out on MHBT is caught by Irshad, caught out to catch by Javed. He goes on 39 runs. Now the score for MH Supports Cricket Club is 152 for the loss of 4. Now MH Supports Cricket Club, they need 41 runs in just 14 deliveries. It is impossible. Can these 2 batsmen stay here? But they have only 14 deliveries. The required run rate is 17.57. Irshad is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark. He takes his first wicket and he takes big wicket of MHBT 247. Catch out by Javed. Now Irshad to the new batsman Babar Rais. Babar Rais plays it good shot. First 6 for Babar Rais. This is good shot played by Babar Rais. This with the 6. Now they need only 35 runs in 13 deliveries. The score is 158 for the loss of 5. Babar Rais, he faces 1 deliveries and he put his first 6 on his first ball. Irshad to on his bowling mark to the new batsman Babar Rais. MS Supports need this batsman. MS Supports need this batsman just like Babar Rais. 2 balls, 2 6, and good batting by Babar Rais. Now they need only 31 runs in 12 deliveries. This is not possible. This is possible. Can these 2 batsmen win this MS Supports Cricket Club? Now they need only 31 run in 29 run in 12 balls. Now 29 run in 13 balls. This batsman Babar Rais, he faces only 2 deliveries and with the help of two big huge sixes. The strike rate is 600. The target for MS Supports Cricket Club is 193 runs. After 16 hours, the score on board is 164 and they lost 4 wickets. Now MH Supports Cricket Club, they need the Babar Azam Sekat because he is a very aggressive player. He is a good player. He just faced 2 deliveries and give 12 runs to MH Supports Cricket Club. The score remaining on 164 for the loss of 5. Now only 12 deliveries, 29 runs. Shahid Mir is on strike. He is on 19 runs. He faces 18 deliveries with the help of 2 fours and 1 huge 6. MS Supports need Babar Raisi Sekat because he is aggressive player. They need 29 runs in 12 deliveries. It's Babar Raisi and this is big wicket for Chandpura 11. This is Shahid Mir. He lost his wicket on 19 runs. Now MS Supports Cricket Club lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Shahid Mir, outcaught by Sahil Rashid. He only made 19 runs with the help of 2 fours and 1 huge 6. Now MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 29 runs in 11 deliveries. Eleven balls, 29 runs. The new batsman, he is on crease. Gauhar Bhatt. Gauhar Bhatt is the batsman. He is on strike. Arif is the bowler. He bowls very well today. He takes 4 wickets. He gives only 22 runs. Arif to the new batsman. Oh, this is clean bowled by Arif. This is the 5th wicket for Arif. He takes 5 wickets. 5 wickets for Arif. 7 wicket. Oh, very good bowling by Arif. He takes his 1st wicket in the shape of the new batsman Gauhar Bhatt, out bowled by Gauhar Arif. And this is very good cricket play today by Chandpura 11. Now they need only 3 wickets for this win. And MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 29 runs in 10 deliveries. And they have only 3 wickets in hand. Isha, wala ito man kilo. MS Supports Cricket Club, they need 29 runs in 10 deliveries. They have only 3 bad wickets in hand.
Assalamualaikum all viewers. Their required score is 29 from 10. Ramanpura have lost 8 wickets so far. New batsman is coming on the crease and we will see how he will change the fortune of the game. New batsman is taking his mark, asking for the guard from the umpire. Lala, famous personality in the cricket. Bowler Arif is on hat trick. Cam cross the umpire. Oh, nice delivery. Completely missed by the batsman. 29 from 9 deliveries. Sophie Salim is the newcomer. He has played 1 ball so far and scored none. 29 from 9 deliveries. Yeah, nicely played and it's out of the park. It's for 6. 23 from it. Sophie Salim nicely picked the length of the ball and it put it out of the park, out of the ground. True run करने आठ बॉल.
Very close.
23. Third ball. Arif launching his bowling run up, crossed the umpire. Ball. No, it's wide delivery. Extra given at this crucial moment of the game. 22 from air deliveries. Arif. Yeah. Oh, nicely taken. Better try to pick it out of the ground, but put it out of the ground. But he managed to find the fielder in the deep square leg, and it's 9th wicket fallen for Ramanpura. 8th wicket, sorry. So 22 from 7 required. Huh? Good strike. That's not about your guys. Which agri could have bought. Square leg board against on the top. Like it's mana fine like we can agri path could not. Which you get you about.
Basic stuff was Bună, nu s-a ieri open. De cum nu trai, za?
No.
Tam des long जोड़ गए
Ramanpura 171.58 after the completion of 16.5 overs. Arif, the new batter Shakil on. Arif going to ball his last delivery of his quota so far. Oh, nicely bowled, completely missed by the batter. So the equation here is 22 from 6. Last over.
So much body words.
Batter on the strike is Babar Reis. He has played 2 balls so far and he has scored 12 runs. But unfortunately, he couldn't get the chance in the penultimate over, 17th over. But in this over, he is at the crease. At the strike, he's playing with a strike rate of 600. The ball is Saqib Rashid. He's going to bowl his last over of the game. So the equation here is 22 from 6 deliveries. Saqib Rashid. Bowler going to ball. Yeah, nice picker. For the final leg for 6. The game has turned into an interesting mode. Very interesting game turning out to be here. So the equation here is 16 from 5 deliveries. Babar is turning the tables. 18 from 3 deliveries. Playing at a strike rate of 600. Lala doing umpiring in this match. Nail biting match here encounter between Ramanpura and Champura Tangmag. Match is between Ramanpura and Champura Tangmag. Rafiq Rabi asking for the encounter against whom, against which team is this match played. Malkul Moat due to rain what? Irshad lefty, what क्या match है? Huh? Irshad lefty. It's your brother Nadeem Akbar here doing live commentary. We are pleased that Irshad lefty is the live spectator of the game. Bowler Yeah, not oh player. Right. Down to the fielder. Run out. Shakil Lone has sacrificed his wicket for Babar Rashid for his team. So the required equation is 15 from 4 deliveries. Till Babar Reis is there, it can sway any side this game.
They need only
The required equation is 15 from 4 deliveries. New batter is the fielders and the bowler. They have a deep chat there regarding the game. New batter Irfan Iri is on the non-strike and Babar Reis is on strike. He has made 19 from 4. Bowler, yeah, nicely played, but for a single, it couldn't affect the requirement of the game, requirement of the round. But 15 from 3 deliveries. Saqib Rashid. Bowling is 4th delivery on the last over. Saqib Rashid. Bowler, yeah. Chandpura is about to win the game. This match could only be won if bowler managed to bowl a no ball here because required runs are 15 from 4. It's a 4 runs, but it's 10 from 1. Babar Reis made 24 out of 7 deliveries. 23. Nabila इतना बात मालूम ज़्यादा लड़
Very good cricket play today by Chak 11 Chandpura. They give the target of 193, but after the 17.5 hours, they scored, and this is the win for Chandpura 11. Very good batting and bowling by Chandpura 11. They win this match by 11 runs. Arif is the bowler. He takes his 5th 5 wickets, and this is good cricket. This is very disciplined cricket played by Chak 11. They win this match by 11 runs. Thank you for watching this live stream, and keep support this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you once again.